Is it do a good job or make a good job? And do you do a plan or make a plan? If you are not sure, you should continue watching and I'll explain everything. Hey guys, it's English time again. I'm Lenka from Orange Academy YouTube channel, and as you already know, I am an English teacher. And today we are going to continue with differences between the verbs make and do. I already talked about the use of do in my previous video, so I think you should watch it too. And the link is under this video too. And now let's start with the use of make. We use make when we talk about preparing meals and drinks. For example, I always make a cup of coffee in the morning. My husband made the dinner yesterday. And we use make also when we talk about the material which some products are made from, and also about the country of origin of the products. This dress was probably made in China. My necklace is made of silver, and this was made by the local carpenter. We use make also when we talk about our decisions and plans. We say make a promise, make a decision, make a plan. I've made my decision. I'm not going. Have you made your choice yet? I can't make any promises, I'm sorry. I can't make any arrangements for the weekend. I have to go to work. And we use make also when we talk about sounds. For example, the old car was making really horrible sounds. It was stupid, he wasn't ready to make a speech. And we use make also to talk about the reaction which was produced. For example, onion always makes my eyes water. My children make me happy. And now, let's practice that. Translate the following sentences for me. You can always read the sentence, stop the video, translate it, use the right word for dělat, check it, and you can continue. Make me a cup of tea, please. My car was made in Spain. My computer is making horrible sounds. Dust makes me sneeze. Make a choice. And now let's make it even more difficult. I will mix up do and make in the following sentences. So should it be do or make? Can you make lunch? Have you done your homework yet? What makes you happy? Can you make a plan? Have you done the dishes yet? I have so many things to do. My computer was made in China. Did you get most of the answers right? If yes, well done. And if you haven't, watch both of the videos again and it will get better, I promise. That's all from me now. Like, comment and share this video if you think it was useful. And don't forget to subscribe to Orange Academy YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of our new and interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!